I'm Mateo with WTI.
And I recently started growing a beard for the first time. And this safety razor by Krisp Shave has been a great addition to my beard care routine as a beginner. This razor tool is perfect for lining up my beard and getting all those hairs that are out of place with a clean shave. I like it because as a beginner, it's very easy to use, the handle is very easy to hold without much experience, and it feels very comfortable to shave either side of my face with my right hand without much effort. It has really helped me keep up more often with my beard line, making it look more professional and clean without having to go to a barber too often. It's so easy to use that even my wife wanted to try using it on me, and that it was very easy for her to get a hold of how to do it quickly, which I was very relieved for. This is a must-have for anyone beginning their beard journey like me.
And that is my point of view.